Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix card login issues, publish. If you're having trouble logging into your card account, follow these steps to resolve. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Next, open your web browser and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, restart the browser and attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, confirm that you are using the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder for the password reset email. If you're still unable to log in, try using a different web browser or device. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with login processes, so consider. If you are logged in but have publishing errors, verify that your account is not on a free plan with restrictions. Check if you have reached the limit for published sites if you are on a paid plan. Make sure that all required fields in your project are filled out correctly before attempting to publish. If you receive error messages during publishing, take note of the specific message for further troubleshooting. You might also want to check card status page to ensure there are no ongoing outages or issues. If you've tried everything and the problem still isn't resolved, reach out to card support. Provide them with any error messages you've encountered and the steps you've already taken. Following these steps should help you fix your card login and publishing issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.